And if you're just joining us, welcome back to Feverish Forest Football Fans Forever, FFFFF. The phone-in show for the handsome, sophisticated and eloquent gentleman fan. On the line, we have Dennis. Dennis, line 1 from Keyworth. Dennis, you're through to FFFFF.
You're a diamond geezer. Come on, you words.
Good to know, Dennis. Now, to keep you up to date on what's happening here in the studio, we're having some decorating work done. How exciting. We currently have more dust sheets up than Bob the Builder has in his van, if he has a van. Is that Postman Pat? Never mind. I have managed to keep a couple of my favourite football shirts, obviously, just to remind me of the good times. Anyway, let's go straight to caller number 2 on line number 2. This is Pete from Kinolton.
Hi, Gary.
Welcome back, long-time caller, Pete. Good to hear you again. Anyway, Pete, what would you like to talk about today?
I'm up in Mazai, the stats. Yet some clowns at Forest think we're overreacting after one defeat. Give Houghton time, let him get his own players in. Sorry folks, but he's had 4 games shy of a full season in charge. Every game we're more and more negative. He's got to go.
Pete, are you still with us?
Oh, and if one were to describe this atom, one would reply, a solid sphere, indivisible, with each element made from its own unique atom.
Petey, are you still with us? Can you still hear me?
I think not, Oyo. I am Dalton, eminent scientist of Her Majesty Queen Victoria. I have deduced that atoms are solid spheres.
Hello, Mr. Dalton. You're through to FFFFF. Is this anything to do with football, or is this Pete playing a prank?
Football? I'm not being funny like, but what the hell are you talking about?
And there you have it. Sorry, folks, not sure what happened there. Help! I've got gremlins in me computer! Really small gremlins! Anyway, let's crack on with caller number 3. What hot topic would you like to discuss today?
It's a goal! He's only gone and done it!
Yeah, that's more like it. Referring, of course, to Taylor's early strike in the Coventry game.
Did it rip up the fabric of our previous scientific understanding?
It's more of a tap-in, really.
In that case, sir, absolutely no. For I, Thompson, in the year 1897, have discovered a fanfare, please.
18 what?
1897, keep hope and Thompson. And I'll tell you what I've discovered once you give me a fanfare. Get on with it, man. Give me a fanfare.
Okay,
Thompson has discovered the electron.
Not by any chance the young winger from Bristol City? No.
Actually, an electron is a negative particle found inside atoms.
What?
I know, right? Thompson. This means that neutral atoms must actually be a positive sphere containing tiny negative electrons.
Eh?
A plum pudding, you know, like a fruit cake.
Enough. Fruitcakes indeed. What? Anyone know what's wrong with the lights? Anyone know why people are ringing up from hundreds of years ago? No? We'll just crack on then, shall we? Our next caller. So, have Forest fans all lost their minds? And if so, where do we go to look for them?
Pray thee be quiet, good sir. We are at a crucial phase in the experiment.
Guessing you're not referring to Chris Hughton's decision to start with Bryce Samba in goal, are you? In, I don't know, the year 1823, maybe?
'Tis 1911, sir, as well you know. One moment, Ed. Aha! And so, it is demonstrated.
I'm going to have a guess. I'm going to say it's that Forest can't defend set pieces.
'Tis demonstrated that the plum pudding model is wrong. Mine very own experiments with thin gold sheets and alpha particles have shown this. Forrest Thompson was right with his plum pudding model of the atom. Then all the alpha particles would have passed through the gold atoms. But guess at what? I have said, guess at what, sir?
Okay, they didn't all passeth througheth.
Thou art right, sir. A small proportion of alpha particles bounced backeth or were deflected by the gold atoms. This could have only happened if they collided with a very small, dense and positive nucleus. And there thou hast it. This atom is mostly empty space, with a tiny, dense, positive nucleus in the center, and electrons orbiting around it.
Look, you...
The name, sir, is Rutherford.
Look, Rutherford.
Rutherford.
Look, Rutherford. You do know that you have phoned into FFFFF, a Forest Fans Football phone-in. Do you have anything about football to talk about? Or are you just going to bore us?
Hello? Why is someone saying my name?
What? Who the you?
Why, Neil Bohr, of course. Discoverer of very pretty electron shells. You did just call my name, didn't you? Bohr?
Actually, Mr. Bohr, discoverer of very pretty electron shells, I was just telling Rutherford how he was boring me, going on about his nucleus, and then...
Horace, please, you should call us by name once more, for now that it is 1919, I have discovered the proton burst.
For crying out loud, I am ending this now.
Chin up high, me laddie. Failing means you're playing.
Who the hell are you? Look, just shut up, you Scottish nincompoop. Bloody hell, just shut up, all of you. All of you shut up.
Oh, Gary, Rutherford here again. Perhaps one has been a little hasty there. That Scottish gentleman, who thou hast just insulted rather heavily, if I may say, is Chadwick. Discovered the neutron. He did it.
Great. I stand by what I said. He is a nincompoop. You are a nincompoop.
Well, you seest, old boy. As well as discovering the neutron, he also dabbles in spots of violence, sometimes in the murdering variety. He's not like your usual science nerd. Methinks he might be coming for thou all the way from 1932. I'll be off now, rather not cross us paths, as it were. Little bit, old boy.
I don't like you, Sonny. Chadwick, discoverer of neutron. Destroyer of Egypt.
Studio. I've got some technical issues here. Look, this isn't funny.